Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Evelyn and I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of product videos, makeup tutorials and all that other jazz. And in today's video I'm actually going to show you guys one of the new products I just came across. I actually received it in PR from a brand called FShine, and this particular brand actually carries hair extensions, clip-in hair extensions, clip-in hair wefts and tape-in extensions and all that other jazz. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I actually used today one of their clip-in hair extensions, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the product is, how easy it is to apply and all that stuff. Basically gonna give you the whole jazz and the whole tea and the whole review. So if you want to see how to go apply the clip-in extension, and if you want to see how this particular one works, carry on watching the video. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. So yeah, let's see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye guys. Beautiful people, so as per the description, we are going to try this new hair extensions. I'm going to show you guys how they are, what their quality is like, and we're going to put them in my hair, baby style my hair afterwards and all that other jazz. So first thing first, all the product information will be mentioned in the description box below, alongside with my discount code and the discount code end date and all that other jazz. So make sure you check the whole description box if you want to save some money. Let's just go ahead. The product is actually from a brand called FShine. It's a very new brand. It's fairly new and it's available on Amazon, but I will write down the links and everything where you can purchase it from straight in my description box. But I have to say, I have tried their one of their extensions variation in the past and I do really like it. Today I'm actually going to try their clip-on extensions, but they do clip-on extensions, hair weft, tape-in extensions, and their range is really wide. So you might want to check them out if you're looking for a good hair extensions which are not overly expensive and going to break your bank or anything like that. No, this is going to be your new best brand to try. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So this particular one is a clip-in extensions, and this one is, it's 100% human hair, and this particular one is 18-inch, and this is in number 16-inch, and this one is in shade T660. And it's 7 pieces in over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open them first. Pardon me. So this is how the hair extension looks like. Looking at my hair, I think I did a really good color match, so they might work really well. This is my own hair, so I think this will go really nicely. As I said, I will write down the exact shade what I'm gonna wear now. I didn't like, it's not really long one. I just didn't wanted a really long one because I wanted more like a medium length, so which matches really like nicely blended with my own hair. But we're gonna go ahead and test these out today. So I'm gonna open these. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm just thought, okay, I'll do it all on the camera so I can show you guys everything. So I'm just making a mess in my room now, literally making a mess. So first I was thinking about actually styling the extensions like separately and then clipping it in my hair, but I just thought, why not just clip in first and see how they goes and I style them together. They're supposed to be 100% human hair anyway, so I don't see any issues I will have to styling them once I put them on. So there is 7 pieces over here. As I said, they're not like really long or anything, so they're like 16-inch. So you can see this is how they look. This is how the shade is. Over here you've got the clip-ins, so which you normally just put it in your hair and it will give you a really nice hold. So that's about it. So we're gonna start by clipping these in my hair. So I'm gonna see first how many pieces I have of each weft. So there is a 4 clip weft. Okay, then there is 2 3 ones, and then there are two ones, and then you got that smaller ones, which I never ever use it, but let's see how things goes. So we're gonna start with the bigger weft first, and what I like to do is brush my hair. I'm just gonna basically pick my hair from behind my ear. You can do it however way you like it. I'm gonna do it from behind my ear and then basically clip these in. So as these ones are actually not that long, I think it's gonna literally blend with my own hair. It's gonna give me more thickness than the length because it's only 16-inch. Now I'm just gonna open the clips. Ouch. Oh! It's that first new extension feeling when you just open it and the clips doesn't open very easily. That's what's happening. So I just opened the clips, and now I'm gonna clip the first one. I'm gonna clip the largest one first, going from side of my ear to other side. So I'm gonna keep it a little bit below than my natural hair. I'll show you guys in a minute. And then basically put the clips in. So let me just show you guys. So this is how it's looking from the back. I just clipped it a little bit below my own hair, so it doesn't like drag too much or way too much. And I just clipped it behind my ear and right in the middle. So now, as I said, everybody have their own way of putting their hair extensions. You put it the way you like it. I'm gonna do it this way because this seems to work for me always. Some people like to clip in from the middle first and then the sides. I prefer it this way, especially the longest weft, because I feel like it works better this way. Now I'm gonna comb rest of my hair, let them go. Now I'm gonna pick my hair up a little bit above the ear. I probably won't apply all of them. I really don't think so I need to, but I'm gonna see how things goes. So I'm gonna pick up another piece, leave some of my hair down, and this time I'm gonna take my brush my hair through so I have a nice smooth thing. And then I'm gonna go with the 3 weft this time, 3 clips, and open this, and I'm gonna apply this right where I did the second partition. I like to just map it out to close to my ears, so I have a nice thingy. And then I'm gonna just brush everything through one more time to making sure everything is looking nice. It does have a bit of a bend right now because it's just the way they were folded in the packaging, but if you open from the packaging and just leave it flat on the surface and put something heavy on top, this will flatten them. Or you can just use your straightener. Okay, so up just the crown. I'm gonna leave the sides, just the crown. And this time I'm gonna use the 2 wefts, the 2 clip wefts on the sides only. So I'm gonna apply one of them on this side, going from, I would say, from here to here. Keep it on this side. And the same thing I'm gonna do on the other side. Just let it basically flow. So after adding the extensions, this is my hair looks like. It's much more like, in length it's not that much, but in thickness it looks very, very heavy and very, very lush. At this point I can leave it as it is, or I can even style it further, which I'm going to do anyway. So I'm gonna style them further. So I'm gonna take, this is not a very nice look. But this is going to be the most boring thing for you guys to see because it's not like something you don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and show you what I'm going to do, and then basically I'm gonna do it all over my hair to make it look more wavier and all that other jazz. With my straightener, I'm just gonna add a bit of a curl, and so I have a bit more kind of like a hairstyle going on, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and I'm gonna fast forward this bit so you don't have to sit here for an hour and watch me doing this. And then I'll show you the final look. So basically I'm just gonna beautiful people. So my hair all styled with the extension, and as you can see how beautiful and full my hair is looking. I absolutely love it. It was so easy to style the extensions too. It looked like it was pretty much like a piece of cake. As I said, all the product information will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you do check the description box, because if you don't, you won't be able to save any money. So make sure you do check out the whole description box if you want to save some money. And regarding the product information, the company, everywhere you can purchase it from, all the link will be mentioned in the description box. So yeah, I am so happy. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye.